Carbon is revolutionizing manufacturing by really enabling true digital production, and it's been our goal from day one to really take additive manufacturing from being a prototyping tool to being a true manufacturing platform. The role of material innovation is really crucial to what we're doing here at Carbon, and we are, among other things, known best for the really high performance properties of our materials. Whether it's a running shoe, which is designed for high energy return, or a football helmet, which is designed for high energy absorption, it's all about the properties of the end-use part. The Uncountable platform has really been key to our success, and the team has been incredibly helpful with working directly with us to make such a flexible platform.
The materials team has always kind of struggled with having a lot of data. We collect data on a number of different fronts, and being able to collect that, synthesize that, analyze that, and be able to turn it around into meaningful learnings on a regular basis is always difficult, especially when you're working with really outdated tools like Excel. When we first encountered Uncountable, that really changed the game for us, because finally we could connect all of our data together. We could have all of our different inputs that we have connected to all of our different outputs, so that really changed a lot of the way that we could move, and we could move even faster. Another thing that's been really helpful is to be able to have data analysis that saves our scientists hours and hours of time. Data analysis is kind of an inherent part of doing any experiment. You have to do your experiment, then you have to gather your data and analyze it. And projects that were taking us hours per day just to do the analysis now can be done in a few minutes.
The predictive aspects of the platform, this is an area I find incredibly interesting, and I think of what we do as a team is you're often trying to solve a Rubik's Cube, where you kind of solve one face of it and now all the other faces are messed up and you have to keep working through this puzzle. And I view the capability of this software as a way to speed up that solving of the puzzle, and I think that the team has really benefited greatly so that we can design these experiments using fundamentals of polymer science, but we're assisted in the actual screening through the optimization phase using the Uncountable platform. It's a true partnership, and we can always rely on getting very rapid response and feedback and help with optimizing the platform for our needs. So it's been really terrific.